In this video I'm gonna show you video editing in Inshot. Do not skip video, watch till end. I took this video for editing in Inshot. There are 3 options: select video, then tap on plus button. Select any video, tap tick mark. In Inshot so many options to edit a video. You can also check this all option, it is easy to understand, but I'm editing this video using Adjust. Tap on filter. You can edit with these 3 options. Then again tap on filter. There are 50 filters, you can use any of one filter. Set the filter opacity for video. Play the video, then select the best filter which you like. If you don't want any filter, then tap on original. Next tap on effect. You can choose only one effect to your video. Play video and choose the effect for your video. If you don't want any effect after choosing, then tap on original. I'm gonna edit this video using Adjust tool. Increasing the lightness for more bright to the video. Play video to check the before and after. Let's move on to contrast. I'm gonna increase contrast for more details in video. You can see so much difference in the video after applying contrast by tapping before and after. Here you can check. Now moving on to the warmth. I'm gonna increase warmth towards right side. Here you can check warmth same as temperature. You can check the temperature by tapping on the before and after. You have to check the full video while editing. This is the main point you have to know in the video editing. I want more temperature, just increasing towards right side. Then moving on to the tint. Check the tint in 2 moods. One is yellow and another is magenta. I'm choosing this mood because it's better for the video. Next move on the saturation. I'm gonna increase saturation for more details on the video. I'm happy with this. Next I'm gonna tap HSL. There are 3 tools in HSL. This is the tools for a reason. Inshot is best app for editing videos. I will tell you in simple step. First one, Hue. This tool will convert the color in 2 colors, but we have to choose one color in 2 colors for the video. Here you can see points in the middle. I'm gonna show you all colors. First one, you can see red point on the line. It's matching with one, you can see here. I'm gonna decrease the red point, the one color convert into magenta, or increase the red point, the one color convert into orange. Like this all colors will convert into 2 colors, but we have to choose one color for the video. That's the matter about first tool. I'm gonna set all colors for the video. Using first tool is finished. Here you can check the video before and after. I'm gonna move on the saturation. Here you can choose the saturation for each of the color in the video. Decreasing little bit saturation of the blue. I'm happy with this colors of the saturation. Next, luminance. Here you can choose the bright and dark of the each color. In the video, highlights falling on the lady with orange color. Here you can also observe. But I want more bright on the orange, just I increase towards up. Like this I'm gonna do all color for the video. I'm gonna tap tick mark and moving on the next tool, fade. Fade is nothing but like contrast. I'm not going to increase. Let's move on the next tool, highlight. Highlight is best tool for this video. Increasing highlight to the right side. You can see so much difference by tapping on before and after. Next, using shadow. If you are using highlight, definitely you have to use shadow for the video. Decreasing shadow little bit towards left side. Moving on the color tool. Here you can select highlight color and shadow color. First I am selecting yellow color for highlight. Next I am selecting red color for shadow. Tap on the tick mark for save. Now moving on the next tool. In this tool, orange and yellow color will be present. I'm gonna increase towards yellow color. Next, here vignette. I'm gonna increase vignette for more details at the border of the video. And now moving on to the sharpen. Increasing sharpen will increase video quality. Next, moving on to the grain. Grain is a type of dots on the video. I'm gonna increase little bit. And then the last tool, film grain. Film grain is a thick dots filter, but I don't want to increase this tool. I'm gonna tap tick mark to save this all settings. If you want to change editing, then tap on the edit. I want to increase more saturation. Check the full video after editing. If you want to check before and after, then tap on the filter and again tap on the edit. You can check the video here by tapping on this logo. You can also exit from app and this editing will save as draft in your mobile. I'm gonna save this video. Tap on the save button to save the video. Select 1080p, then tap on the arrow at the corner and select 60 fps for the best quality video.